Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing my plan with me for the first week of January 2020. Can't believe it's here. I am starting in a new Happy Planner. I did kind of a semi flip through of this planner on a Michael's haul that I did recently. So I'll try to remember to link that here if you want to check a look. So basically it's pretty plain, and I'm going to just jump in and start the week one. So let's go ahead and pull it out of here and get started. So I am going to be doing kind of a black and white theme kind of thing, kind of inspired by this card, this Project Life card. It just says begin. And I just pulled out some different Project Life cards that I thought would kind of work with this. And then I do have these clock sticker things that I got. I think, yeah, I got them at Hobby Lobby on sale. So I might use those. I have a couple different stickers. So what I thought I would do is use these Dollar Tree stickers and actually just use, I was just going to put 2020 on here. I just want to check the size though. Oh, here, this is good. Oh yeah, it's going to be perfect. Okay, good. All right, so I need to lay down something to kind of cover up the purple. Okay, so I think I'm going to just use this washi tape because I did want to bring in some silver elements. So I think I'm just going to cover up the lines. Okay, so I got the washi tape on there. Now I kind of feel like I need to see what the design's going to look like with the number, but unfortunately I can't really cut this number out. And I guess I could. Okay. But, okay. Well, I'm just going to cut this. All right, so then 20, right there, like that. I'm thinking I'm going to put this as the journal card. Maybe I want the 2020 up here or down here. I'm going to have this say begin. Yeah, I kind of like that. Okay, so I think I'm going to do it at the bottom. So if I'm going to do it at the bottom, I probably will need to put washi tape at the bottom. So I have another silver that's a little thicker that has hardly any stick as well. So let's okay. So, okay, so then I think so this will be here like that. I definitely need to cover up the numbers because that's going to bug me. I kind of wanted to use this celebrate. I think I'm just going to cut this. And like just put that like right here. All right, I kind of wanted to use this happy, but I feel like that's going to be too much. I have this, I was going to think about putting this here. The Everyday Hooray. Okay, I'm going to use this little piece of journaling card. I have a feeling this one's going to be kind of simple, but I'm kind of okay with that. I'm liking it so far. So I'm going to put this here. Hopefully I can get a couple of boxes out of this. Put that right there. Can I get another box? Yeah, I can put this right here and then I'll just put like a sticker there. And is this thick enough to do? Oh yeah, this works too. Cool. Okay. So I probably, yeah, let's just put that right there. And then maybe this down here. And then let's see, maybe this over here. Not in love with that. Let's see, what else do I have? I have this card. I'm just gonna put this over there. Just says the weekend. Not that I have a million stickers that I could use for that, but so I think I'm going to add a couple of black pieces of paper in here. I've never used black paper in my Happy Planner, I don't think. I might have. Who knows? I've been doing this a really long time, so, and I was just putting my, one of my planner rings, I was putting planner rings on my planner for 2019 because I needed to put some, expand the big planner rings on there. I was looking at them and I was like, oh, I don't remember this one. Oh, I don't remember this one. Oh. It's like I was remembering all of the different planner layouts that I had done. Okay, so let's do that, and then let's add just a couple more squares of the black in here, and then we'll get everything all glued down. Here. Okay, I'm going to put this up here. And then maybe move this right here. Okay, so I think that's what it's going to look like. So I'm going to get everything glued down here. I'm just going to use my Glue Dots tape adhesive runner. And then I'm going to put another piece of washi tape just right here. Just to balance it out. And cover up that the words at the top. Okay. So I hope everybody had a good holiday. And I hope you guys are all having going to have a safe and a happy New Year celebration. I'm gonna puff this up on some puffy tape. We're starting the bulk already. Okay, so I'm gonna do my Happy Planner flip through for 2019. Not sure when it's gonna go up. I haven't recorded it yet, so I will record that and try to get that up sometime this week, if not definitely next week, of my completed, well, sort of complete. I mean, you guys follow my channel, you will know that there are definitely some weeks that I missed, but it's all right. I'm excited to, it's very fun to do that kind of video because I get to see, I get actually pretty inspired by it just because, you know, I get to see all the stuff I get to do or I've done before and all that stuff. So, all right, so let's center this and then we're gonna do sticker time. Okay, that is all the stickers I want to put on there. It's not, you know, fantastic, but it is definitely works and I definitely like it. So what I was thinking of doing is putting this here. And then I kind of want to use this little card thing. I just think this thing is so cute. So maybe I should back it. Where'd that paper go? With some black cardstock. Just want like a little edge on there. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Then I think I will use a piece of foam tape to just kind of prop it up. And then I'm just going to, actually I think I'm going to use one of these little plastic tab things to put this on so I don't have to punch holes in the journal card. Come on. Okay. And then I can like line it up exactly where I want it. It's kind of hanging off the edge a little bit more than I was hoping. Let's move it over a little bit. Okay. Cool. Yeah, so usually I go with gold and black for New Year's, but I thought I'd switch it up. So I like it. And let's go ahead and get it in the new planner, which is where? Where did I set that? There it is. First planner video of the new year. We're going to try this one more time here, people. We're going to see if we could do every month, every week, 52 planner layouts. That's the goal. Didn't happen last year, but let's see if it happens this year. Wish me luck. All right, guys, I will see you next time. Bye.